Thanks for clicking through. I'm Nate Otto, president of Hot Purple Energy. And you're wondering what setting an appointment with Hot Purple Energy looks like. Well, it doesn't look like you're going to meet somebody in a lab coat. Not at all. Actually, it's going to be really, really easy. We're not going to do the lab coat. No rubber gloves. We're going to make it super simple. A client rep is going to walk you all the way through the process, starting off with a preliminary email with a photo of them so you know what they look like and who you're talking to, whether it's email or phone, whatever you prefer. And they're going to send you some information about the company. They're going to send you some information about the manufacturers that we use, and also some questions that they're probably going to be asking when they get there. When they show up, you already recognize them. They're going to come into your home. They prefer to walk around and sort of get a lay of the land to find out how your energy efficiencies are, maybe lack of are. Then it's sitting down at the table, going over your kilowatt hours that you've been using, finding out whether you're going to make any lifestyle changes, whether the kids are moving out or an electric car is coming in, how much you're doing with your home. Is there a planned improvement? Have you already done all your energy efficient upgrades? Do you know the age of your roof? What your motivation and your expectations are. That's super important so that we can balance this all together and make sure there's no conflicts. Bring it back. The engineering is going to put together what they think is the best solution for you. Then they're going to call you up or email you, bring you in, or go to your house and talk to you about what your house really needs. Go over the costs, go over the savings, and come up with the solution for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for clicking. We'll talk to you later.